You can say he's the king, he's the lion, and he's having the roar.
Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on RR2 movie teaser.
Yes, and we have the famous
Mohanlal sir.
Mohanlal sir. Okay.
So, Unni Krishnan B.
Yes, I think Unni Krishnan B is the director, or not sure. The casts are Mohanlal, Vijay Agravan, Sai Kumar, Siddiqui, Johnny Anthony, Nandu, and so on. A lot of casts are there, and the director is Vijay Ulaganath.
Yes.
Okay, and so let's get started. There are a lot of casts names are there, which we will be like attaching in the description bar, so that you can also check that out. So let's get started. We are super duper excited because Mohanlal sir hai, and we can expect a lot of good looks, lot of expression, and lot of good
good music and good cinematography.
Cinematography, each and every single thing. So let's get
what
started.
is there in this teaser?
Yes, let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Gangster one.
I told expression.
నేను వాడిని చంపేస్తాను.
It feels like an action guru, action king, right?
Action king means like he is looking like extraordinary.
Yes.
The way he was delivering a dialogue and पीछे वो जो ये cloud, the animation was superb. I think that that caught the attention. He was telling, and his voice is like similar to that. The thunder. You know, he was having the thunderous voice only. He is having that kind of roar. You can say he's the king, he's the lion, and he's having the roar.
Yes. And the way he was coming out of his car, I don't know which car it was.
It was looking.
It was looking that he is either he is a big guy, means bigger in the village. If you say, Mukhiya, you can say.
Yes.
Right. It will be head of the village. I think it will be like that.
Yes.
So he is protecting that whole village, from against the goons, right?
Yes, he was protecting the whole village, and he was having very powerful aura in the village, and everybody is like admiring him, like that character it was showing. And I really love like how beautiful his hand was looking. Like his hand was looking like 20 years old guy's hand.
Exactly. We have done that poster of that movie.
Yes, we have done. So the car was looking, each and every single thing, all of the scenes are very well put with each other. Like the scene where the car has come and he has just gotten down from the car, and then the camera angle was like slowly capturing his face, his eye especially. I told, right? The expression, his eye expression is everything. So the way he was like the fighting कर रहे थे, डिशुम and all, the way the thunder and everything, like it is beautiful. I think no words are enough to describe.
And we didn't judge much about the story. It was just looking like
teaser,
a small teaser. So we just figure out that his role is as a kind of a head of this village, and he might be protecting the village. But what is the main story behind this everything, we don't know.
But the superiority is like he is having the extraordinary personality. That is only it is reflecting,
because he is the head of the village,
right?
So he will be having every power in his hand.
Yes.
So I think story wise we were not able to judge much, but yes, music was super.
Music was super.
Music is given by Rahul
BGM.
Raj.
BGM was Rahul Raj only.
Right. And Unni Krishnan has written this story.
The writer.
So, I think he has done a great lot of the movies also.
Unni Krishnan, the name is very familiar
to us.
Yes. So yeah, I think I can guess a little bit about the storyline. I don't know whether I'm wrong or right or whatever it is, but it is not a very unique kind of a story, because if you see this kind of story already we have seen in several kind of movies. That
but hoping that this will be not the similar kind
not
of
the
movie.
similar, but yes, what I am thinking is like in a village, like he is having the aura, just I told, and he is having the superiority, like he is the mukhya of that village and he is protecting his village, and like meanwhile some goons will be coming, and they are also from the political background or very high
Maybe.
high profile
They
goons.
wanted to capture the
they
land or
want to
something,
capture the
right.
lands, and
Or
they want to harm the people,
want to spread negativity into the people.
And he will protect each and every one.
Yes.
And in that case he will be like facing a lot of ups and downs, a lot of things will be happen, because his face was looking like that he has faced a lot of negativity, a lot of trouble he has faced, and he has come across
so much strong
after
facing
that.
those of
Yes,
those
it was
things.
looking like that. So I'm thinking the storyline would be like that, and there would be a heroine entry also, of course, a house, family members, a little bit of dramatic touch scenes would be there. We are thinking like that.
Exactly.
So it
I
is
think
this kind of story.
His best role was in that Drishyam 2, not Drishyam 2, exactly in the Drishyam itself. So his role as a father, it was looking brilliant.
It was looking brilliant.
So I'm not sure
He was the perfect role for
what
that.
kind of role he will be playing.
Yes.
But yes, if that is the case, it will be also great, right?
He is very much into like this kind of a role, like a gaon ka mukhia hua, ya fir a great personality kind of a person, a father,
Right.
this kind of role
We
is
have
very
done
much
the
suitable.
movie trailer or some of the scene from the movie L2 also, right?
L2
There
also.
also he was looking so aggressive kind of a guy,
his
right?
beard and everything was
it
looking
was
black.
It was looking super.
Wearing black.
And here as a village person man, it was looking right.
I can genuinely tell that people can learn a lot of things. Already they have learned, and he is extraordinary guru for each and everyone.
Right.
Whoever trying to like come into the film industry, or want to do the theater or small web series
Right.
and kind of stuff.
Yes, exactly.
They can watch his appearance. He's the way
He's
style.
the-
He's having his own style actually.
Right. He is the famous across the world.
Across the globe.
Yes.
So that is it, I think, about the teaser and everything, and we are waiting to get the trailer released so that
Yes,
we can
and
have a better picture of
more
it.
About
More about this
story
movie.
understanding about this particularly movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of this Ara2?
Aratu, I don't know.
Not
It's
sure.
a name or something.
It is the name
Or maybe
of
we have
someone
to
or
explore
something.
a little bit more
Explore a
around
little
this,
bit. Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. So the BGM is the showstopper, I think, and
Yes.
for me the showstopper is when he was telling the
Intro,
dialogue,
right?
and wo jo cloud
That
ka
cloud was-
garajna,
yes.
that was totally similar with his personality. I think the director has made it beautifully.
Yes.
It is also in the director's hand, right? That
Right.
okay, ye
Because
scene ke baad ye scene hoga.
And also in this scene, he had to shoot from below so
For the
that
below.
sky will come.
This
right?
is very brilliant, this
Yes,
is
this is
showing
direction.
the talent. The direction is very superb actually.
Right.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. We are hoping that the trailer should get released soon, and yeah, the movie also as well, because बहुत दिन हो गया, मतलब मोहनलाल सर का मूवीज बहुत दिन हो गए देखे नहीं हम, तो हमें
Last
लगता है कि
one,
देखना
we
ही
have
चाहिए,
seen
देखना
Drishyam.
दृश्यम. हाँ, बहुत दिन हो गया यार. अभी तो देखे ऐसा नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि बहुत दिन हो गया, बीच में तो बहुत दिन
And
हो
I'm
गया.
not sure in the coming few days it will come or not, because a lot of the
because of that
cases
pandemic.
are going on, so it may take a lot of time.
Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope that you love our reaction. If you do so, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends, family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.